President of Waterhouse FC, Donovan White, has confirmed with TVJ Sports that Marcel Gayle has resigned as head coach of the club with immediate effect. Speaking with TVJ Sports on Monday evening, White explained that assistant coach Jermaine Miller will take up the position of interim coach and will have an Argentine advisor.
What we can say is what it is, which is that Coach Fuzzy has decided to resign, to step down from his role as head coach, to move on to some other things I think he has in his plans for his own development. And we have accepted that position. In the interim, Coach Miller will be our interim head coach, and he'll be working along with an international technical advisor that we have brought in, Javier Einstein, who is here and who had his first session with the team today. And we are looking forward positively to continuing our journey through the Premier League.
Gayle's decision follows a run of poor form, which has seen Waterhouse record just one win in their last 7 games. That win came on Sunday as they clipped then league leaders Montego Bay United 1-0 at Jarrett Park. It also comes a week after Waterhouse suffered a shock 2-1 defeat to Spanish-Town Police FC. Given the poor results and the presence of Argentine-born Javier Einstein at Sunday's game, White was asked if Gayle was forced to resign.
As well, based on our discussions with Marcel, that he has great aspirations for himself. I know he's actively pursuing his A license at the present time as well, and I believe it's an opportunity for him to grow as a coach. He has been a Waterhouse, somebody from the community and the coach of the club for many years, even before he left and went to UWI. And I think it's quite okay to understand that, like any other human being, he wants to grow and develop, and we're fine with that.
The poor run of form sees the former champions as well is a continuation from the 2024-25 Jamaica Premier League season, and sees the Jerusalem team winning just 13 of 37 games so far in 2025.